Luxury travel isn't just about private jets or yachts anymore. Imagine a journey on wheels that rivals a five-star hotel. The world's priciest motorhomes redefine opulence with stunning interiors, futuristic tech, and unmatched features. These 15 masterpieces are your ticket to traveling in style and ultimate comfort. Number 15. Earth Roamer HD, starting at $1.9 million. The Earth Roamer HD isn't just a luxury motorhome, it's a fortress on wheels. Designed for adventurers who crave both the wild outdoors and high-end comfort. This RV combines rugged off-road capabilities with premium interior amenities. Built on a heavy-duty Ford F750 chassis, the Earth Roamer HD is equipped with all-terrain tires and advanced suspension systems that can conquer the harshest environments. Whether you're crossing desert sands or navigating mountain paths, this motorhome can handle it all. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an interior that feels like a mini mansion. The rich finishes of charcoal-stained oak cabinetry and plush leather seating give it an air of sophistication. The kitchen is equipped with dual refrigerators, a 3-burner induction cooktop, and ample counter space, making it easy to prepare gourmet meals even in the wild, for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The smart use of space ensures that you'll never feel cramped, with a spacious king-size bedroom offering a peaceful retreat after a day of exploration. Not only does the Earth Roamer HD offer the comforts of home, but it also features advanced solar and lithium battery systems, allowing you to stay off the grid for days without sacrificing power. This makes it the ideal choice for those seeking adventure without sacrificing luxury. Number 14. Integra Cornerstone, starting at $926,000. Though more affordable than some of the other entries on this list. The Integra Cornerstone is a true marvel of design and craftsmanship. The exterior's sleek lines and modern look are just the beginning. Inside, the Cornerstone offers a full suite of luxurious amenities. The porcelain-tiled floors set the stage for the opulence that follows, while heated leather seats with massage functions ensure you are comfortable on the road. Solid surface countertops complete the high-end residential vibe of the living space. For those long drives, the Cornerstone comes equipped with a select comfort king-sized bed that promises restful nights. The Firefly multiplex system offers complete control over the vehicle's features, from lighting to climate. The Aqua Hot heating system ensures you're cozy even in the harshest climates, while the advanced insulation keeps the motorhome cool during summer months. Driving this motorhome is an experience in itself. The precision steering and camera system turn even the trickiest mountain roads into a pleasure. Whether you're cruising along the coast or through the countryside, the Integra Cornerstone offers the perfect combination of performance and luxury. Number 13. Numar King Air, starting at $1.5 million. Numar's King Air is the embodiment of elegance on wheels. The motorhome is designed for those who value not only luxury, but also the experience of traveling in style. Inside, you'll find plush Italian leather covering nearly every surface, from the cockpit to the couches. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including Wolf induction cooktops and Viking refrigerators, making it easy to prepare gourmet meals on the go. The King Air also boasts heated porcelain floors and massage-equipped captain's chairs, turning every drive into a blissful experience. Dual opposing couches create a spacious, cozy living area, while the master suite offers a marble-clad bathroom for a spa-like experience. The bedroom includes a plush king-size bed for ultimate comfort, ensuring that your travels are as restful as they are luxurious. Safety is also a top priority in the King Air, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, ensuring that you can focus on enjoying the ride without worrying about the road ahead. Number 12. Featherlight Vantar Platinum Plus, starting at $2.5 million. Featherlight's Vantar Platinum Plus is the epitome of motorhome luxury, crafted with the finest materials. This RV boasts leather upholstery, rare wood accents, and marble surfaces throughout. It's an absolute masterpiece of craftsmanship. Inside, the master suite features a king-sized bed, a spa-like bathroom, and a plasma television that cleverly emerges from the footboard of the bed. The living area is equally impressive, with a spacious design that invites relaxation. Smart automation allows you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment with just a touch, ensuring that your environment is always to your liking. The custom-built chassis and advanced suspension make the ride as smooth as it is luxurious, giving you an unparalleled travel experience. The Featherlight Vantar Platinum Plus isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Number 11. Anderson Mobile Estates, The Heat, starting at $1.8 million. For the celebrity elite and business moguls, Anderson Mobile Estates offers The Heat, a two-story motorhome that takes luxury to a whole new level, spanning over 1,200 square feet. It is one of the largest motorhomes in the world, designed to provide all the comforts of home while on the road. This mobile mansion features conference rooms, a full kitchen, and expansive living areas furnished with heated leather seating. The interior is adorned with premium oak wood, marble, and leather, offering a sophisticated yet comfortable atmosphere. Security is just as important as luxury, which is why The Heat comes equipped with 24-hour surveillance, offering peace of mind while you're on the go. The Heat isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile penthouse designed for those who demand the very best. Number 10. Concord Centurion 1200, starting at $1.3 million. The German-engineered Concord Centurion 1200 is a showcase of both rugged elegance and high performance. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, the Centurion 1200 features a 12.8-liter engine and a 12-speed transmission, ensuring that your journey is both smooth and powerful. What sets this motorhome apart is its rear garage, which can house a luxury sports car like a Porsche 911 or Mini Cooper. It's the perfect blend of adventure and luxury, giving you the freedom to travel with your favorite car in tow. Inside, the Concord Centurion boasts a minimalist yet luxurious design, with real wood veneers, a Bose audio system, and touchscreen-controlled appliances. Whether you're spending the night in the heart of a bustling city or in a remote countryside, the Centurion offers everything you need to travel in comfort and style. Number 9. Vulner Mobile Performance S, starting at $2.4 million. If you thought motorhomes were just for camping, the Vulner Mobile Performance S will make you rethink that notion entirely. This extraordinary motorhome includes an underbelly garage that can house a supercar like a Bugatti Chiron. With the push of a button, your prized vehicle emerges from the motorhome in dramatic style, ready to hit the road at a moment's notice. Inside, the Performance S boasts brilliant white upholstery, marble countertops, and customizable layouts, allowing you to tailor the space to your specific tastes. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, while the Burmester audio system ensures your music sounds as good as the ride feels. The spacious master bedroom promises a restful night's sleep, making this motorhome perfect for both long journeys and short getaways. Number 8. Liberty Coach Fairfax Edition, starting at $2.2 million. Liberty Coach is a name synonymous with luxury, and the Fairfax Edition is a true testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. This triple-slide motorhome combines exceptional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, offering a living experience unlike any other. Inside, you'll find spacious living areas adorned with rich leather, premium finishes, and top-tier appliances. The bedroom and bathrooms offer unparalleled comfort, while the intuitive smart automation system controls lighting, entertainment, and climate seamlessly. Every detail has been meticulously designed, from the polished wood paneling to the integrated sound system. The Liberty Coach Fairfax Edition isn't just a motorhome, it's a work of art. Number 7. Newell Coach P50, starting at $2.4 million. Newell's P50 is the definition of personalization. Each P50 is designed to meet the owner's specific preferences, from custom floor plans to bespoke furnishings. This customization, paired with Newell's custom-built chassis, creates a motorhome that is truly one of a kind. Inside, the P50 dazzles with exotic woodwork, high-end fabrics, and natural stone finishes. Heated and cooled seats that rotate 360 degrees provide ultimate comfort, while the digital dashboard and entertainment systems ensure you're always connected and entertained. The Newell Coach P50 is the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and personalization, ensuring a truly unique travel experience. Number 6. Furrion Elesium, starting at $2.5 million. The Furrion Elesium takes motorhome luxury to futuristic heights. At 45 feet long, It's one of the most technologically advanced RVs in existence. It features a helipad on the roof, complete with a Robinson R-22 helicopter, allowing you to take to the skies whenever you feel like it, whether you're landing on remote islands or exploring rugged terrain. The Elesium offers unmatched travel flexibility. Inside, it's nothing short of extraordinary. The spacious master suite, gourmet kitchen, and walk-in shower bathroom rival some of the finest hotels. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere. Advanced smart technology ensures you have complete control over your environment, while a fully integrated entertainment system allows you to enjoy your favorite media on the go. Number 5. Marathon Coach 1332, starting at $2.8 million. For those who demand nothing less than the best, the Marathon Coach 1332 delivers. Built on the renowned Prevost chassis, this fully custom motorhome is tailored to your every need. From the exterior paint to the hidden bunk spaces, every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. Inside, you'll find luxurious living spaces with air-powered doors, high-tech entertainment systems, and a folding bed that maximizes comfort and functionality. The spacious storage bays offer ample room for all your belongings, while the large living areas make it feel more like a mobile mansion than an RV. The Marathon Coach 1332 is the ultimate expression of luxury on wheels. Number 4. Prevost H345 VIP, starting at $2.9 million. The Prevost H345 VIP is a true masterpiece of luxury engineering, designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, style, or technology. The H345 VIP offers an unparalleled travel experience. The motorhome's spacious layout is designed to be as comfortable as a luxury penthouse. Inside, you'll find 5 televisions, including a curved 4K screen for the ultimate viewing experience, for those who prefer relaxation. The master bathroom features a personal sauna, adding a spa-like touch to your travels. Heated floors run throughout the motorhome, ensuring that the interior remains comfortable no matter the season. The customizable digital art displays enhance the atmosphere, providing an artistic and visually pleasing ambiance. Every detail in the Prevost H345 VIP, from the state-of-the-art entertainment system to the high-end finishes, screams luxury. The motorhome also features the Vega touch system, which seamlessly controls lighting, climate, and entertainment, making it incredibly easy to maintain the perfect environment. Number 3. Marchie Mobile Element Palazo Superior, starting at $3 million. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to live in a motorhome that feels like a private jet on wheels, the Marchie Mobile Element Palazo Superior is the answer. With a futuristic exterior that resembles something out of a science fiction film, this motorhome combines cutting-edge design with unmatched luxury. The Element Palazo Superior is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. Inside, the master suite features a king-sized bed crafted by the same company that supplies the British royal family. The attention to detail is impeccable, and it's clear that no expense was spared in creating this masterpiece. The motorhome's Sky Lounge rooftop terrace offers panoramic views, perfect for enjoying the surrounding landscape with radiant floor heating to keep you cozy. The Palazzo also includes a bar cabinet, a wine fridge, and a spa-like rain shower, turning every trip into a luxurious escape. Number 2. 4Travel Prevost H345 Emperor Sauna Suite, starting at $2.9 million. The 4Travel Prevost H345 Emperor Sauna Suite is the perfect motorhome for those who demand the ultimate in comfort, technology, and relaxation. Built on the renowned Prevost chassis, the Emperor Sauna Suite combines the precision engineering of a luxury vehicle with the opulence of a high-end hotel. Inside, the motorhome features stunning interiors that include a private sauna, making it one of the most unique RVs on the market. The luxurious bathrooms, complete with heated floors, create a spa-like atmosphere, while the digital art gallery offers a curated selection of works for art lovers. Advanced systems for entertainment and control ensure that your experience is always in line with your desires. Number 1. Featherlight Vantar St. Germain, starting at $2.5 million. At the pinnacle of luxury motorhomes is the Featherlight Vantar St. Germain, a true work of art, with a custom-built chassis and unparalleled craftsmanship. This motorhome redefines what it means to travel in luxury. The Saint Germain stands out not just for its opulent features, but for its meticulous attention to detail. Inside, the motorhome boasts soft leather, rare wood, and marble finishes, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and elegance. The king-sized master bed is adorned with the finest linens, while the smart automation systems ensure that every aspect of your environment is controlled with ease, whether you're adjusting the temperature or controlling the lighting. The Featherlight Vantar. Saint Germain anticipates your every need with its advanced technology, stunning design, and exceptional comfort. The Featherlight Vantar Saint Germain truly represents the pinnacle of luxury on wheels, for those who desire the absolute best. This motorhome sets a new standard for what a mobile living space can be. For those who crave the ultimate in luxury travel, these motorhomes redefine comfort on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive content on the world's most lavish vehicles.